Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cybersecurity metrics with Cybervista, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase cybersecurity metrics with Cybervista, begin by setting clear objectives for your cybersecurity program. Identify the key metrics you want to improve, such as incident response time or employee training completion rates. Evaluate your current cybersecurity posture by conducting a thorough assessment. Gather data from existing security tools and reports to understand where improvements are needed. Implement Cybervista's learning and training modules tailored to your organization's needs. Encourage employees to participate in cybersecurity training regularly. Utilize Cybervista's interactive learning materials to engage your team effectively. Monitor your team's progress through Cybervista's analytics dashboard. Review training completion rates and assessments to gauge employee engagement. Regularly update training content to reflect the latest cybersecurity trends and threats. Schedule periodic assessments to measure the effectiveness of the training programs. Analyze the results and identify areas for further improvement. Share progress reports with key stakeholders to ensure transparency and accountability. Adjust your approach based on feedback and performance metrics collected from previous training cycles. Integrate continuous learning practices to cultivate a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Celebrate successes and milestones to motivate your team. Use Cybervista's resources to stay ahead of emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Continuously refine your metrics based on the evolving cybersecurity landscape. Commit to regular reviews of cybersecurity strategies to ensure ongoing improvement. By following these steps, you will enhance your organization's cybersecurity metrics effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.